All right, things are basically unchanged, slightly up.
Big jump.
So yeah, to the downside we have AMD, Micron probably moving down in sympathy, NXPI as well. Chips under a little bit of pressure. And then to the upside, we'll be looking at EXPE again, YUMC, Apple, and EA. Let's get those and bring this in here for us. Here to the downside on the gap, we have AMD. Is that going to try and make its way back? We'll find out in about 8 minutes. And then Micron down as well. See if they want to bring that back. NXPI. All right, get that up there. And then up gaps, EXPE. Coming down, we may have to readjust that one if they're way off their highs. In EXPE, YUMC.